Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Halo theme on Trumpet. We will begin by focusing on the iconic opening phrase, which sets the tone for the entire piece. Understanding the core notes, primarily G, A, B, C, D, and E, is crucial. Developing a consistent embouchure and strong breath support through long tone exercises will lay a solid foundation for your performance. This initial step is vital for capturing the theme's powerful sound. Mastering your embouchure and breath control is essential for the Halo theme. Form a firm, yet relaxed, embouchure, similar to the shape you make when saying MMM. Take deep, diaphragmatic breaths, ensuring you have enough air to sustain those long, powerful phrases. Consistent air support from your core will give your sound its characteristic richness and projection, making each note resonate clearly and powerfully. Precise articulation and rhythmic accuracy are key to the Halo theme's recognizable sound. Employ a clear do or two tongue stroke to separate each note distinctly. Pay very close attention to the specific rhythms, especially the dotted 8th and 16th note patterns, which give the theme its driving feel. Practicing with a metronome will help you achieve accurate timing and maintain a consistent tempo throughout the entire piece. To truly master the Halo theme, consistent and smart practice is vital. Break the entire theme into smaller, manageable sections, focusing on one or two measures at a time. Listen repeatedly to the original soundtrack to internalize the melody, rhythm, and overall feel. As your accuracy and confidence grow, gradually increase the tempo. Remember, dedicated practice will lead to a powerful and memorable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.